Hello guys, welcome to the second video of the part that I did last week. This week we will see about the charger, and of course I'm lying, it's not a week, it's just right after the last video. We'll see the charger. I wanted you to show the real label, just in case you don't fall for any fake chargers. This model number may be different, but the barcodes are set like that, and the barcode is like this. Always look for the original one and don't go buy fake ones. Okay, so this is the original. Like the iPhone, you just pull this tab and it opens nice and easy. You don't need an unboxing knife anymore, for Apple products at least. And here we are with the charger. It comes like that. No cable, the cable comes with your iPhone and nothing else in the box. Just has some documentation with the power adapter. Okay, here you go. If you want to read it, this one is in English. Here's all the models and the watts and a specification of all the models and the numbers I showed you before, and after that it's different language. So this is a quick unboxing for the adapter. Nice, new. And this is the fast charger. It comes USB Type-C to Lightning for your phone. Apple of course did that because maybe the European Union forced them to do it, but we don't know. Can you zoom up here? Thank you. And that's it. That's all you need to see if your Apple charger was like that. Warranty and specifications. Try using the original one, but it's not so expensive as of buying the phone. It's something extra, and chargers are kept alive for many years. So also there is MagSafe if you want to use. So thank you for watching. This was a quick unboxing of the charger, and I will see you for the tempered glass installation and everything else. Like the video and comment down below. Bye bye.